Hello, eagles. It's Keroy here. How is everybody doing? I'll read you a poem called Believe in the Cosmic You. This poem was inspired by that idea of the multi dimensional existence that we have. Yes, we are here on earth doing earthly things, but we are more than that. We are spiritual being existing in this physical body, physical reality. Um, but the way we we know the things around us, sometimes we think we are only physical, yet that is not true. So with this cosmic you, it's reminding you that you're more than what you see. Most of the things beyond us are perceived. So believe in the cosmic you, believe in yourself, they say. But which self are they talking about? The self that has been programmed and fed with distortions, steeped in illusions, or the God self within you? The God self, gentle by nature, whispers truths with compassion, cuddles you with waves of warm hugs, nudges instincts of which path to take, is witness to your true transformation, aligns proof of revealed truth as a reflection of heavenly things on earth, confirming a depth of wisdom only your heart can express, who is consciousness and full of life force energy. That self, that's the one you should believe in. This poem is called Believe in the Cosmic Self. I hope you enjoyed that. You're more than what you see. You're more than this physicality. Your soul and spirit are free and hovering all over the place, not only here but in other places too. I assume galaxies and who knows what. Other earths maybe. As always, it's Keroy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.